Well, we've started working with some text, but now we want to begin a series of things flowing text from object to object. And we're going to start out with some very simple ways to get this done. And then we'll move into more complex. They're not complex, but they're different ways of making our text flow. So let's go into Illustrator. And what I want to do, I'm not going to use the rectangle tool, but what I want to do is I want to make 3 text boxes. These are not text boxes. These are just rectangles. But I want to make 3 text boxes and have text over here, and it finishes down here, and then it goes over there, and then it goes over there. Okay, now a little problem I have with that is if I make a text box and if I just click, then Illustrator gives me this Lorem Ipsum thing. Like, I don't know that I just clicked with the text tool. I know that I clicked with the text tool. Okay, fine. But when I have some text that I've already copied and I'm going to paste into these boxes. So if I come over here and I make a text box like this, they throw in the Lorem Ipsum, and when I start flowing the text, it can get a little problematic because sometimes you throw in your text and they keep their Lorem Ipsum, and as it flows, you have to go in and get rid of it. So you do what you want, but I'm no dope. So I just went into Illustrator Preferences, and I don't want that automatic Lorem Ipsum stuff showing up. And if I come in here into Preferences and go to Type, there's a thing down here. It says Fill New Type Objects with Placeholder Text. And I'm going to turn that off and click OK. And now, if I take the text tool and click, there's nothing there except the cursor. Okay, that's fine with me. So here we go. Let's get rid of this and let's make this happen. I can take the text tool, and instead of just clicking, I come over here and I click and drag. Nothing shows up, but I can paste. That's not what I wanted. Where is my magical text? Here we go. Here I have some regular text over here. Go back into Illustrator. There you go. So when I paste my text, this little square right here, let's have some zoom fun. Sure, why not? When I see that little square right there with the plus sign, that means that there's more text in this thing than what I can see. So now I can go back to the text tool right here. Go back to my text tool and let's make another text box. Drag, I make another text box. Then I go to the black arrow tool. And I can see this little square right here. So if I click this little square and then I click the plus sign here, then my text flows from one box to the next. And just because I'm paranoid, I'm going to deselect, and then I go to the text tool again, and I come over here, make another text box using the text tool, go to the black arrow tool, click this little thingy, and you can see if you look at my cursor, it looks like it has text in it. And then I come over here and click this little doohickey, and it's flowing from box to box to box. And there's still some text that I can't see. Now, I'm going to double click the hand tool over here so I can zoom out. Right now I have two toolbars. I only need one. So let's close this one. Okay, very good. So now the good thing about this flowing text is that you can click on one box and make it taller, and your text is actually flowing. Notice the little square is gone because we can see all of the text. But if I click on this one and make it taller, let's click this one and make it shorter. And we can play around with these until they're all even. Give you some more room over here, my friend. There you go. So there you go. Now we have text flowing from box to box to box. And you've got the video. You can watch it again and again. And we don't have any more of Illustrator giving us Lorem Ipsum when we just click to create some text. That's Introduction to Flowing Text in Adobe Illustrator.